Hey everyone, thanks for joining this morning, noon, or night, whenever you are deciding to watch this. I will have a series of 3 unboxing of Moterm planners, or really covers, I guess you could say. The first one that we're going to take a look at is for a B6 Stalogy. So, looking forward to opening these because I'm opening them with you. Yeah, this is a smaller box, so it's for B6. And it's a Pebble black. So you can see the pebbling in the leather, but it's still very soft. It's not super bumpy. So what I love about it is the chunky clasp. And depending on how many you have in here, it gives you options for 2 clasps. And then the inside has card pockets and a back pocket. So really, and I'll show you the setup I currently have so that you know how I use it. I'm looking forward to transferring it because I think I'm going to have one in the front pocket and one in the back pocket and see if I could get through the year. But I wanted to change because this is my current B6 Stalogy cover in a blackCroco. So there's only one in there now, but there's still plenty of room. There's only 1 clasp. So I'm hoping that by the time I put another one in here, I'll be able to put them both in this one. It looks, I mean, yeah, it's the same size as this, both a B6. I don't know why, for some reason, this looks a little bigger. Even if I were to mimic like a book being in it, it just feels a little bigger. But I really like it. It's super soft and squishy. This isn't as soft. It has more of a plasticky feel. Like you could even hear it a little bit. Like that's plastic and this is just softer. So it's really soft and squishy. I think Amanda Lee Plans always talks about how squishy leather feels amazing. So I get it 100%. So this is what I would do. And maybe I will set it up tonight, but just to give you an idea. I've got to remember to take a little, I do have bookmarks in here to remember where I was. So if I just slide it in to give you an idea. This is also, by the way, just a brain dump planner. So that's how it fits. I guess if we take, we can see what else fits in here, but I don't have another B6. But I will see if I can take some like inserts and still close it. So that's still pretty good. I think it would fit 2 because that was even the far button. Yeah, there's still plenty of room in here. So it's a good size. I use this as a, again, I said brain dump, but sometimes in the morning, if I get up early and I say, you know what, I just have so much on my mind, I'm going to jot it all down right away so I don't forget anything. Or likewise, in the evening, I'll jot it down so I can fall asleep easier. So there's only 4 months in here, so I still have a ways to go. I use on average about a page a day. Sometimes I don't write in it. Sometimes I use like 3. But I really like it so far. It was newer this year, and I don't see myself going back. So it's working for me for now. I was trying a brain dump in my pocket, and I don't know, it didn't work the way I really wanted it to work. But that's that. That's a little unboxing and review, a comparison. So now that the planner is out, let's see. They do look a little small. It does look a little bigger, doesn't it? Just a little bit. But I really like it. They both have the back pockets, which is great for just random notes. These are good for task cards. I have yet to fill it all up with task cards. It's good for on the go. It also has a pen loop. These pens, I swear, are the best for Stalogy paper. If I remember, I will link these pens down below, but I have one in my other Stalogy as well, which will be in another video because then it'll start to make a little more sense. But right now I don't have task cards in it. I just have a couple little I don't know, planner cards and what have you. So those are the current covers I have. This is the brand new one. I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to set it up. I think it'll be great. It really goes with my other planners that I use currently. The ones that stay always out and I use every morning are the Brain Dump and the Habit Tracker, and they just look super great together. I mean, so does the Croco, but I mean, you can't really go wrong with Moterms, but I'm really excited about it because they feel very, very similar. So with that, we'll go ahead and close out the video. I very much appreciate you taking the time to join in to watch. If you have any questions or requests, I would be happy to help or answer any questions that you have. Yeah, I am happy I made the switch to a dedicated Brain Dump. It has helped tremendously. Like if I'm going out today, I had to go somewhere and I didn't know how long I'd be waiting around or what I was going to do. So I had this with me. Of all the planners, at least I can get a bunch of different ideas and things out of my head and onto paper, which helps a lot. So highly recommend it if you feel like you're constantly have a running list in your head. And who doesn't? Yeah. So I love it, super excited about it, and I hope you decide to come back and watch additional unboxings of the other two Moterms. So thanks again, and appreciate your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share if you feel like anyone will benefit from this video. Bye.